How to create an account on Lorex app on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you have already installed the Lorex app. Now launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, you will see this kind of interface. You will directly see the screen, and here you can find two different options of login and sign up. Now in order to create your Lorex account, you can select the sign up option. From here you can choose your country and tap on next. Now you'll be prompted to the sign up page. From here you can create your account. You need to provide your personal details over here. Provide your first name, your last name, enter your email address, set up a password for your account, and re-enter your password. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. Once you enter all of your details, you can tap on this checkbox. Now you'll be receiving the activation code in your email address. So tap on this get activation code option. You can check your email inbox for the verification code. As you can see, I received the verification code. Now you can copy this code and paste the code over here. Or tap on OK. And there you go. You've successfully created your account on the Lorex app. It's a very simple process to create your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.